If your LG LFXS26973S refrigerator displays the IFE error code, it usually points to a problem with the ice maker fan inside the freezer. This fan helps circulate cold air around the ice maker to maintain the proper temperature for ice production. When airflow becomes blocked by frost buildup, debris, or a temporary system glitch, the refrigerator may trigger this warning code. Fortunately, in many cases, the issue can be resolved by clearing obstructions, allowing ice buildup to melt, or resetting the refrigerator system. Try these. Step 1. Open the freezer and check the ice maker area for frost buildup or ice blocking the fan vents. Step 2. Remove any excess ice or debris around the ice maker and air vents to restore airflow. Step 3. Turn the refrigerator off or unplug it for about 5 minutes to reset the control board. Step 4. Plug the refrigerator back in and ensure the freezer door closes tightly to prevent moisture buildup. Step 5. Monitor the display. If the code returns, inspect the ice maker fan or contact LG service for further diagnosis.